Hi again. Finally, at the last episode of Defect of Eye, number 9. Today, we are finally discussing the numericals and the explanation of hypermetropia, which is where we can't see nearby objects. We cannot see nearby objects. All right. What is the solution to that? The solution is that we wear a lens like this in the specs. Remember, this is the solution. We are discussing hypermetropia, which is can't see near, or we can't see the mobile. ये ना मैं अपने उसके लिए लिखती रहती हूँ बार बार कि so that there is no confusion. In fact, I always suggest can don't learn these things. They just learn one thing. Hypermetropia, can't see near. Then you keep deriving the next step from this one fact. Alright? Otherwise it becomes massively acid. Now in short, like we discussed, what will be the different values? In short, when we have to do numericals, for you will be kept as minus 25 centimeters, which is the near point of normal eye. The V will be kept as how far we have to stretch to see. How far do we have to take the phone to see it nicely? Remember, we have to stretch our hands. The people like 40 and above, all of us, we have to stretch our hand and then see in the newspaper or the phone. So V is distance from which we can read clearly. And this is also nothing but the near point of hyper eye. Now this value will change from person to person. This value will remain. This minus 25 will remain same for everybody, all humans. But this value will depend on person to person, how weak your eyes are. Some people can see from till 40 centimeters, some people can see from 50 centimeters. So it will vary with question to question and person to person. Okay, now focal length and power will be the question. Like before, these are focal length and power of what? These are of the lens of the specs, not eye lens. This is also the object and of the specs lens. These have nothing to do with the eye ka focal length, eye ka V, no. Alright, we expect these answers to be positive because why? We are dealing with this. That's in short. We can do calculations simple. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We'll take one numerical in the end. Now let's explain it nice and clear. Why u is minus 25, why v is whatever it is, and how is it helping. Okay. First, like always, the over explanation. An eye which can see normally, a normal eye. Okay, so this is the first part, the normal eye. This is the eye. This is the phone that we are trying to read. It has a thick lens. It is sending diverging rays. And the eye is fine. We can read. Where is the object? The object is supposed to be kept like this. And it is kept like this. So what is the object distance? The object distance has to be 25 centimeters as prescribed by physicists, or it is the near point of normal eye. Fine, no problem. Now we come to the hyper eye. हाइपर आई में क्या करना पड़ा, हमें जब चश्मा नहीं पहनना है, हम बहुत स्टाइलिश हैं, चश्मा पहनने में शर्म आती है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हम तो वहीं बैठे रहेंगे उसी चेयर पे, हमारा लेंस अभी भी उतना मोटा नहीं हो पाया, हमारा हाइपर आई हो गई है, हाइपर मेट्रोपिक आई हो गई है, हमारा लेंस पतला रह गया है, हमारी उसमें डिफेक्ट आ गया है। अब हमें फ़ोन कहाँ ले जाना पड़ा, अगर हमें साफ साफ देखना है, हमें फ़ोन वहाँ ले जाना पड़ा, मतलब ये हमें फ़ोन को दूर शिफ्ट करना पड़ा, यहाँ पे फ़ोन शिफ्ट करना पड़ा। फिर इससे डाइवर्जिंग रेज आई, फिर उसने उसको यहाँ करा, यहाँ पे हमें दिख गया, वी कुड रीड द फोन, we could read the phone, yes, but what was the difference? We had to shift the phone far away from us. अपने से पहले उसकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन यहाँ थी, उससे हमें दूर कर देना पड़ा. What is the you? Okay, so this is what we had to do. Okay, next is, what is the correction to it? The correction to it is, let's do the correction है, जहाँ हम अपने हाथ को इतना लंबा नहीं बनाना पड़ रहा है to read. अगर हम ये हैं, ये हमारा हाथ है और हम अपने फ़ोन को ऐसे पढ़ रहे हैं, alright, back straight, remember, back straight, don't read it like this. So this is normal person, this is सुंदर सा हाथ बना देते हैं इसको, and the hyper person is where what he has to do, this is the person, rest of the thing, he will have to make his hand so long, यहीं पे कहीं पे जाके किसी भी तरह, वहाँ डंडा लगाए, कुछ भी लगाए, सेल्फी स्टिक लगाए, इतनी दूर लेके जाना पड़ेगा, फिर यहाँ फ़ोन रखना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें दिखाई देगा. या फिर सोल्यूशन क्या है कि हाथ को बेचारे को वहीं रहने दो, जहाँ है उतना ही रहने दो, उसको तोड़ने मोड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फ़ोन को भी वहीं रहने दो जहाँ होना चाहिए. एक यहाँ पे आप चश्मा पहन लो, you wear a specs here and still you will be able to read nicely. This is what is corrected eye. You were just in a funny mode. You wore a convex lens here, so you didn't have to stretch your hand like this. We just kept it normally, 25 centimeter pe, and you can still read. A normal person can obviously read at 25 centimeter. Okay, let's go into the detailed diagram of how we find U and V through ray diagrams when we want to understand the whole concept nicely. Short में तो मैंने लिख ही दिया, U इतना है, V इतना है. Okay, so now this is the eye. हम bothered किसके बारे में हैं? We are bothered about this external specs lens. I am not even drawing this part. Let me just paint it. We are not interested in this part. Why? Because we are interested in only, I'm not interested in this. I'm only interested in the focal point and the power, or the focal length and power of this external specs lens. Where is the phone? The phone is very close to us. It's at a distance of, I भी यही है, this is almost, you can say that this is just next to the eye. Just next to the eye. So how far are we supposed to keep the phone? We're supposed to keep it here. So the U will be minus 75. We can see, we are wearing the lens, we are wearing the specs, so we can see, we can read nicely. We have not stretched our hands. We have kept it at the normal distance. But हमें प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? ये क्या कर रहा है? यहाँ से डाइवर्जिंग रेज आ रही हैं. रिमेंबर, पास से ऑब्जेक्ट, यहाँ से डाइवर्जिंग रेज आ रही हैं. तो इसने क्या करेगा? ये उनको थोड़ा सा कंप्रेस करने की कोशिश करेगा. ये हाईली डाइवर्जिंग है, ये हाईली डाइवर्जिंग रेज है, राइट. इतना पास ही तो ऑब्जेक्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्जिंग रेज है. अब इनको जब ये कंप्रेस करने की कोशिश करेगा तो कितना कर पाएगा बेचारा? थोड़ा बहुत. हम कोई ऐसे मोटा मोटा चश्मा तो नहीं पहनने वाले ना. इट इज स्लाइटली जस्ट, so it doesn't have too much power. What it will do, it can't compress it really. It can't really compress it. ये दूर जाना चाहिए. The light rays would have gone here. All it does is कि वो उनको थोड़ा सा पास ले आता है. वो उनको कंप्रेस नहीं कर पाता है. इसको बस वो they would have gone here. They get little less. They would have gone here. They are now getting compressed. वो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आ जाती है और थोड़ा सा यहाँ आ जाती है. तो आफ्टर ऑल ये कन्वर्ज ना, कन्वर्जिंग लेंस, तो कंप्रेस तो करेगा. दिस वाज द ओरिजिनल पाथ. वो इस लाइट रे को थोड़ा सा कंप्रेस करके यहाँ बना दिया, थोड़ा सा कंप्रेस करके यहाँ ला दिया. A, B, C. These are the real rays. A, D, E. These are the real rays, actual rays now. Do you think they'll meet there? They're still diverging. Come diverging हो गई हैं, but they will not meet there. So where will they meet? We know according to the light chapter, they will have to be extended back and they will meet here. You'll extend this. The actual rays are what? Actual rays are A, B, C and A, D, E. They are still diverging. They are still diverging. But they are less diverging. तो उनको भी हमें पीछे ले जाके मीट कराना पड़ेगा. और जहाँ मीट करते हैं उसको कहते हैं इमेज. So what will happen is फोन की एक वर्चुअल इमेज. This is the object phone. This is the image of the phone. Right? What is image? जहाँ पे उनको रिट्रैक्ट करके appear to meet कराया जाए, that is what is called the image. So this is the image of the phone. Now if this is the image of the phone, where is image distance? The image distance will start from here up to the lens. This is V. So जहाँ तक हमें हाथ फैलाना पड़ा to see, that becomes our image distance or the near point of hyper-eye. हम ऐसा लेंस चूज करते हैं जो उसको उसी पॉइंट पे फोकस करे जहां हमारा हाथ लंबा होके जाने वाला था. We choose such a lens. Okay, I know it's a very it's a diagram with lot of rays. Quickly I'll try and again explain. Phone nearby U25. उसने ये एक्चुअल रेज भेजी. These are the actual rays. Okay, they were supposed to go here, but because it is a converging lens, उनको थोड़ा सा press कर दिया, थोड़ा सा compress कर दिया. Now they are actually going here. ABC and ADE become the real rays, but they are still diverging. कितना भी press किया, they are still diverging. They will not meet there. You'll have to extend them back and make them meet at this point. When they meet at this point, this becomes the image. Image is where they meet. The moment this becomes the image, distance between image and lens becomes V, which becomes where we want to see. And then the eye will focus it properly on the retina. क्योंकि यहाँ से eye के लिए अब क्या हुआ? eye के लिए हुआ कि कहाँ गई हमारी रेस? ये रही. eye के लिए हुआ कि जो ये हमारा पता था लेंस था ना, eye के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ है? आई के लेंस के ऊपर रेज कहाँ से आ रही? आई के इफेक्टिवली रेज आ रही हैं यहां से. सो द आई फील्स दैट उसने हाथ स्ट्रेच कर लिया है. आई को ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसने हाथ स्ट्रेच करके फोन को यहां से यहां शिफ्ट कर दिया है. तो उसको लगता है वाह वाह, नाउ एवरीथिंग इज गुड, नाउ आई कैन रीड नाइसली. बट एक्चुअली फोन पीछे नहीं शिफ्ट हुआ था, हाथ पीछे एक्सटेंड नहीं हुआ था. सिर्फ इसने, स्पेक्स ने उसकी एक नकली इमेज, वर्चुअल इमेज पीछे शिफ्ट कर दी थी. ऑब्जेक्ट भी पीछे शिफ्ट नहीं किया, सिर्फ उसकी एक नकली इमेज, उसकी एक नकली शैडो, एक पीछे डाल दिया, जैसे आई को लगे कि हाँ जी ऑब्जेक्ट पीछे चला गया. तो आई को लग रहा है कि ऑब्जेक्ट पीछे चला गया, तो उसने सोचा चलो पढ़ लो, खत्म. Alright, so this is how or why we take the new far near point as V. This is the new near point as V, and the 25 centimeter where it is actually supposed to be kept as U. Okay, we'll take up the numerical now. You can, if you want to analyze this diagram, takes a while to understand. You can please pause the video when I am not interfering in between and see it nicely and clearly and understand. And if still there is an issue, then please I repeat, write on the comment section कि हाँ जी ये part नहीं समझ आया, please explain, or whatever question you have. Let's take a numerical. Okay, so that the person is, a person has to keep a medicine, what is called medicine, we'll see what, at a distance and elderly person, so that we know that's usually for people above 40. They're not elderly, huh? Everybody above 40 is not elderly, but just for our memory, this happens to older people. At a distance, strip, medicine strip, at a distance of, say 25 से तो नॉर्मल को दिखता है, शायद उसको 50 सेंटीमीटर पर दिखता है. उसको ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके 50 सेंटीमीटर लेके जाना पड़ता है, तब उसको लेके दिखता है. A distance of 50 centimeter to read the name. What is the specs to be used? So the first is again, like I say, we don't know which it is. एग्जाम में थोड़ा ना कहेंगे कि हमने वो एपिसोड नंबर 9 है, हाइपर पढ़ रहे थे इसलिए ये लिख दो. No, this is a simple question which can be either myopic or hypermetric. So we analyze it nicely. Which disease is it? He cannot read. वो उसको दिख नहीं, रीड हम वहाँ रख के नहीं रीड करेंगे, यहाँ रख कर रीड करेंगे, पर वो भी नहीं कर पा रहे, उसको ऐसे करके रीड करना पड़ रहा है। दैट मीन कौन सी डिजीज हो गई? दैट मीन्स इट इज hypermetropia. That's how you start a question, by analyzing what is it. Okay, the moment you have hypermetropia, we know that the solution is this, and we expect the answers of focal length and power to be positive values. That this is all assumption and pre-calculation in the mind the moment you read. Now comes the data sheet. Object कहाँ, अब उसने चश्मा लगा लिया तो उसको ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखना है? नॉर्मल रखना है। ऑब्जेक्ट नॉर्मल रखना है तो उसको कहाँ रखना है? -25 सेंटीमीटर पे। तो अभी हमने देखिए वो चश्मा क्या करेगा, उसको पीछे शिफ्ट करा देगा, इमेज को पीछे शिफ्ट करा देगा। कहाँ तक करा देगा? जहाँ तक उसको साफ नजर आता है, बिना चश्मे के जहाँ तक उसको नजर आता है। बिना चश्मे के उसको कहाँ से नजर आता है? 50 तक. So the V becomes -50 centimeter, which is near point of hyper eye. And what was this? This was near point of normal eye. Now we are left with only simple calculations. We have 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We have kept the signs nicely, minus, minus, and we are expecting the answers. So 1 by f will be equal to -50. Good. LCM will be 50. This will become -1. This will become +2. 1 upon f. That is 1 upon 50. So what happens is, I hope the calculation is okay. 1 minus minus, yeah. So what we get is 1 upon s, f is 1 upon 50. That means that the focal length required of the lens is 50 centimeter plus, as we were expecting. What is this? This is for the specs lens. What is the power of this? The power is simply 1 by f. That is 1 by 50. How come it is so less? 1 by 25, 2 plus 6. So if I want to calculate power, I will try and use this formula. Because our f is in centimeters, it will become 100 by 50. The power will come out to be 2 diopters. Now it is good. I was wondering 0.02 diopters. मैंने कभी सुना नहीं चश्मा 0.02 का. So this person who can see only from 50 centimeter has to wear a lens of 2 diopters. Chalo. Now have a good day.